Hello Solo Nation, this will be a quick tutorial on how to use Multichain's bridge. For this tutorial we'll be bridging to the Phantom blockchain, but the process will be the same for any other chain. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure you have an XRPL wallet with your Solo balance and a MetaMask wallet connected to the Phantom blockchain. If you haven't already, let's add the Solo token to our MetaMask wallet. You can simply search the token on any DeFi protocol where Solo is available. In this case, we're using Beethoven X, and just click on Add Token to Wallet. Now, let's go over to multichain.org, click on Router, and select the networks you will be transferring from and to. First, select the XRP ledger as a blockchain, select the Solo token, and then we're sending it to the Phantom blockchain, again, the Solo tokens. You can send any desired amount, and the deducted fees from the bridge will be displayed below. Make sure to read the reminder for estimated time of arrival and more detail on the fees. For testing purposes, we're gonna go ahead and send 100 Solo. Now enter your MetaMask wallet, which will be receiving the Solo tokens, and click on Swap. You will then get clear instructions on how to send the funds from your XRPL wallet. With this information, head over to your XRPL wallet. In this case, we're using the Solo DEX. The deposit address should be copied and pasted onto destination and validated. The memo should be copied and pasted on the message field under advanced. Once this is done, click on next and proceed to sign the transaction. All you have to do is wait for your Solo tokens to arrive, and once they are on the MetaMask wallet, you're ready to unlock all DeFi capabilities cross-chain.